Today I'm going to show you how to conduct a vehicle inspection Class A manual truck. First things we're going to do in cab inspection. So let's go start. In cab inspection included the brake test. First things I'm going to check three safety equipment. Is a fire extinguisher under the back seat. Fire extinguisher, no broken, no cracked, secure, fully charged, ready to use, pin is in and is secure to the floor. 3 reflector triangle, no broken, no crack, secure, is in a safety box. Fuse is in this box right here, and extra fuses is above to my head. Checking both mirrors, left and right, not broken, no crack, secure. Both is adjusting to my view. Windshield, not broken, no crack, secure. No illegal sticker blocking my view. Now I'm going to do a safety start. I'm going to put key in the ignition on, electric mode. I'm going to check for ABS lights and DEF lights. ABS lights and DEF lights is on and should go off. ABS lights and DEF lights is off. Now I'm going to start the truck. Push the clutch in. Make sure the vehicle is neutral. Brakes is set. Start the truck. So first things I'm going to do, air brake test. The air brake test, I have 4 steps. I'm going to check the first step is the governor. So the governor kick in 90 psi. So I'm dropping the air by pushing the service brake up and down a couple of times. So now I'm going to build the air 125 psi that the governor should kick out. I'm going to apply the gas between 10 and 15. So when they reach 125 psi, I'm going to hear that hissing sound. So now I'm going to open the window so I can hear the better. Alright, I hear hissing sound. Was a good test. So now I'm going to do second step is a leaking test. So now I'm going to turn off the truck, back to electric mode, ignition on, put the clutch in, put the vehicle in first gear, release the both brakes in, step on the brake and hold for 1 minute. I should not lose more than 4 psi. So you can count 1 minute or you can ask your examiner to count. Okay, minute is done. Was a good test. So now I'm going to do next test is a alarm test. So I'm going to drop the air by pumping the brake up and down. When I reach 60 psi, the warning alarm and lights should come on. Alarm and lights is on. Was a good test. So now I'm going to do next test is a bottle test. When I reach between 20 to 45 psi, the both brakes should pop out or engage. The both brakes is engaged. Was a good test. So now I'm going to start the truck, fill up the air 125 psi, and I'm going to do next test is a parking brake and service brake test. So now I'm going to apply the gas between 10 and 15 RPM. Alright. That air tank is full. So now I'm going to do parking brake test. So I'm going to check the parking brake test first. So I'm going to release the trailer brakes in, put the vehicle first gear, try to move, should not move, that the parking brake should hold the knee. Alright, I feel a tug. So now I'm going to do trailer brake test. So I'm going to release the truck brakes. Vehicle is first gear. I'm going to try to move, should not move. Alright, I feel the tug. So now I'm going to do the service brake test. I'm going to release both brakes in. I'm going to drive 10 to 15 feet. And the wheels should not go left and right. So vehicle is still in first gear. The vehicle stop. Put vehicle neutral. Apply the both brakes. So wheels did not go left and right. So it was a good test. So now I'm going to do rest of the in-cab inspection. So I'm going to check that the lights. So low beams is working, is on the left side here. High beams is working. Left turn signal is working. Right turn signal is working. Four-way flasher or emergency lights is working. Windshield wipers is working, no broken or cracked screw, and the windshield washer is working. Spray my windshield. Checking the city horn is working. Air horn is working. Checking the defrost and floor heat. The defrost is working. I feel. And the floor heat is working as well. I feel. So now, this moment, I'm done in cab inspection. I will do the lights operation check. I will ask my examiner to step outside and check the lights. So now I'm going to do lights operation check. First things, I'm going to turn off the truck. Put back to electric mode. I'm going to do in the front first. So left signal, right signal, four-way flasher, headlights and clearance lights, and the checking with high beams. Left signal, right signal, four-way flasher, headlights and clearance lights up, high beams. I'm going to ask him to check on the left side of the vehicle. Left signal, four-way flasher, marker lights and clearance lights. Left signal, four-way flasher, marker lights and clearance lights on top. Now I'm going to ask the examiner to step on the back of the vehicle, checking left signal, right signal, four-way flasher, tail lights and clearance lights. And then press the brakes, brake lights. Left signal, right signal, four-way flasher, tail lights and clearance lights stop. I step on the service brake, is brake light. Now I'm going to ask the examiner to step on the right side of the vehicle. Right signal, four-way flasher, marker lights and clearance lights. Right signal, four-way flasher, marker lights and clearance lights stop. So now I'm done with the lights operation check. So now I'm going to step outside the vehicle and do the rest of inspection outside. Now I'm in the front of the vehicle. I'm going to do inspection. I will start from top to the bottom, passenger side, unit side, and everything in the driver's side of the vehicle. until to the back of the vehicle. I will start from top, clear slides, not broken, not cracked, secure. It's amber color. Both headlights on the left and the right side, not broken, not cracked, secure, has to be clean and clear. Function is low beams, high beams, turn signal, four-way flasher, and on both sides reflected lights. It's amber color. Under the vehicle, no leaking or hanging any wire. Now I'm going to open the hood and check in the passenger side of the vehicle. I'm on the passenger side of the vehicle. First things, I'm going to check all hoses and line, no broken, no cracks, secured. I do not hear any air leak and I do not see any fluid leak. Cooler reservoir, no broken, no cracks, secure, on the proper level, no leaking from the cooler, cap has to be tight. I'm going on the driver's side of the vehicle now. Now I am on the driver's side of the vehicle. I'm going to start from top to the bottom. Hoses and lines, no broken, no cracks, secure. I do not hear any air leak and I do not see any fluid leak. Engine oil dipstick, no broken, no cracks, secure, no leaking around. If you want to check, pull it, wipe it, put back, pull it again, has to be between min and max, and pull back again. If you need to add oil, this is an engine oil cap. No broken, no cracks, secure, and no leaking around. Cap has to be tight. Power steering oil reservoir, no broken, no cracks, secure, the proper level. Cap has to be tight, no leaking. Power steering hoses, no broken, no cracks, secure, and no leaking. Gearbox, no broken, no cracks, secure, no leaking oil. Gearbox hoses, no broken, no cracks, secure, no leaking oil. Three-piece steering linkage, no broken, no cracks, secure, is holding by nuts, bolts, and cutter key. Now I'm going to check suspension system. Lift spring mount on the front and the rear. No broken, no crack, secure, is connected to the frame. Lift spring, no broken, no crack, secure, and no scissoring. Shocks absorber, no broken, no crack, secure, and no leaking. Now I'm going to do brake system. Brake hoses, no broken, no crack, secure, no leaking air. Inside I have a brake drum and brake pads or shoes. No broken, no crack, secure, no contaminant between, and no oil or grease. Tire, inside wall and top and outside wall, no broken, no crack, secure, no air leak, no cut or bubbles. Tire tread depth 432, checking with tire tread depth gauge. Rims, no broken, no crack, secure, no illegal welds. 10 lug nuts, no broken, no crack, secure, no one is missing, and no rust around, indicator is loose. Valve stem, no broken, no crack, secure, no air leak. If you want to check, you need to use a tire air gauge and has to be 105 psi. Now I'm going to close the hood and I will continue on the side of the vehicle. Checking side of the vehicle. Mirrors lights, no broken, no crack, secure, is amber color. Mirrors bracket and mirrors lenses, no broken, no crack, secure. And mirrors lenses has to be clean. Marker lights, no broken, no crack, secure, is amber color. Battery box and battery is inside, no broken, no crack, secure. All the cable is connected and no leaking around. Taft tank, no broken, no crack, secure. Cap has to be tight, no leaking from the cup, no leaking from the bottom. Fuel tank, no broken, no crack, secure. No leaking from the cup. Cup has to be tight and no leaking from the bottom. Now I'm checking connection between tractor and trailer. Now I'm checking the truck frame Frame, no broken, no crack, secure, no illegal welding. Checking coupling between tractor and trailer. Red is emergency line, no broken, no crack, secure. The gland handle is connected to the trailer, no leaking from a seal. Blue is service line, no broken, no crack, secure. The gland handle is connected to the trailer and no leaking from a seal. Green is electrician line, no broken, no crack, secure. The pigtail is connected to the electric box with a safety latch on top. Now I'm checking same way to the tractor. Red emergency, blue service line, no broken, no crack, secure. Both is connected to the truck. Green electric line, no broken, no crack, secure. The pigtail is connected to the electric box with a safety latch on top. I have enough space between tractor and trailer to avoid hitting each other, and I have enough space from the catwalk. Now I'm checking the fifth wheels under the trailer. Apron, no broken, no crack, secure, no illegal welds. Fifth wheels, no broken, no crack, secure, enough grease, and no space or daylight between. Relieves arm, no broken, no crack, secure, and a lock position. Safety pin, no broken, no crack, secure, and a lock position. Platform and platform bolts, no broken, no crack, secure. All is present and all is tight. Kingpin, no broken, no crack, secure, and a lock position. Locking jaws, no broken, no crack, secure, and a lock position around the kingpin. I have enough space from mat flat and landing gear. Landing gear, no broken, no crack, secure. Enough space from the ground. Landing gear handle is in a lock position. Rear slides in the front and the side. No broken, no crack, secure. Is amber color. TOT tape is a 50%. Now I'm going to check trailer frame. Trailer frame, no broken, no crack, secure. No illegal welding. ABS lights, no broken, no crack, secure. Is amber color. When you turn on the truck, they should come on and off. Market lights, no broken, no crack, secure. Is a red color. I'm checking trailer lights. Clearest lights top, no broken, no crack, secure. Is a red color. Tail lights, no both sides, no broken, no crack, secure. Is a red color. Function, turning signal, four-way flasher, brake lights, and tail lights. DOT bumper, no broken, no crack, secure. DOT tape is 100%. Now I'm done in cab inspection, brake test, and outside inspection. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.